Learning how to make a back-to-school bow is so very easy. I'll show you how, so stay tuned. This back-to-school bow is so very easy to do. I've already gone ahead and placed my Bowdabra wire in the Bowdabra tool. I've also gone ahead and starched both of my ribbon so it's nice and stiff. Because it's not wired, you're going to need that body in both ribbons. Layer them up. Place it in the middle of the Bowdabra tool and twist it down. Leave about 2 inches of room on the other side. You could always snip it away. Twist, keep them layered, and just loop. Place it in the middle. Leave just about 2 fingers length of a loop and twist. Keep them layered. Place it in the middle of the Bowdabra. 2 fingers length again on the other side and twist. And that's all you're going to need. Snip it, leaving just some excess. And now you're going to place your back to school ribbon that is starched in place. Okay, and the other one as well. Flip it around, bring the slip knot into the middle, hold it tight on the bottom, pull tight, split the wire, bring it to the back, okay, and make a knot. Make one more knot to secure it. All right, and now you're going to find those 2 pieces in the middle that are excess, snip them away. And then snip the excess. In proportion to the loop, and the other one in proportion to the loop again, and there you have it. Leave the excess wire so you can attach it to whatever you want to. And there is your back to school bow. You can attach your bow to any hair accessory. Pull the wire through. Tie a knot. Tie another knot. You could leave the wire out for another added element. And just play with it and position. I hope you liked the tutorial, and I'll see you next time.